Hello and welcome in Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to access and where to find specifications of our phone, for example HUAWEI P60 Pro. It's very useful. We have to go to the settings here and it's very fast. At the bottom we have about phone option. We simply have to tap it once. And here we have all our specifications: name, model name, software version, IMEI number, processor type, our RAM, internal storage, all information that we can and will probably need. It is all here. Very easy to find, very useful to have. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.